All right, thanks for being patient. Okay, the first, we'll do 4 mindfulness activities. The first one will be put your feet flat on the floor. Get your pretend bottle of super glue out and glue them to the floor. And then show me your hands. Make sure there's nothing in your hands at all. And put your hands on your lap so we don't have any distractions trying to distract our attention, right? And then I want you to sit up tall so that you don't get too sleepy or anything. But make sure your shoulders are relaxed. So go ahead and do a couple of shoulder rolls. And now no talking during this at all because, again, we don't want any unnecessary distractions, right? And so go ahead and I want you to still, of course, breathe during it, right? And go ahead and close your eyes, and I'm going to make a sound on this chime. And when I make this sound, I just want you just to listen to it. And we're just going to sit like this with our eyes closed for about 45 seconds, and I'll tell you when to open your eyes again. And that's all we have to do. All right, open your eyes. Good job. You can pause the video quick and just raise your hand and just say if you heard anything. So go ahead and talk about anything you heard. Maybe it was people in another classroom or in the hallway. Maybe it was your vent in your classroom. Maybe it was your stomach rumbling. Anything you heard, all right? Okay, welcome back. Now we're just going to practice some mindful seeing, and we're going to watch this underwater scene. And I just want you just to sit like we have been sitting and just notice what you see. All right, good job. You can pause the video, and if you want to, you can raise your hand to say something you saw that you thought was cool. Okay, now we're going to do something kind of silly, and it's a fun one. So now your teacher can pass out a little Hershey's Kiss to everybody, and do not open it yet, okay? So just leave it in the wrapper until everyone gets one, and then I'll tell you what to do. Okay, so before you unwrap it, I just want you to smell it. So go ahead and just smell the chocolate. And then you can, no talking during this activity either. Okay, because now we're being mindful about how something tastes, okay? So now just slowly unwrap it and go ahead and put the chocolate in your mouth, but no chewing, okay? So you can pause this video and then come back on when you're done. But don't chew the chocolate at all, and just be mindful of how it tastes, okay? All right, good job. And the last mindfulness activity we're going to practice for today is we're going to go on a mindful walk. So you can, depending on which classroom and all that and how this works the best for you, you can decide this is the last activity for today. So you can decide how you want to do this, how it will fit into your classroom. But after the mindful walk, if you happen to still have time, you could still do some, it's your choice cards, okay? All right, so during the mindful walk, I don't want any students talking at all. You're just going on a walk single file, and you're just going to be looking around at the hallways, noticing what you see and noticing what you hear. And I want you to notice what you feel. So when you feel your feet against the floor, how do your feet feel? How do your shoes feel? How are your socks feeling? Is one part of the school colder than another part? Just go ahead and you can do that now and have fun. Good job practicing being mindful today. You just strengthened and gave your PFC a good workout. So Air 5, everybody. Good job. If you keep practicing all these things that we've been talking about, you're going to have a really strong and nice brain, aren't you? Good job, you guys. See you later.